Here's a 2015 Nissan Rogue. Long, tall, or wide, there's plenty of cargo and passenger space inside this sharp-looking crossover. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push button start proximity key, and continuously variable automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive notes the continuously variable transmission works well with the engine, quickly switching to an appropriate ratio for the driving conditions. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Discover the Andrew Toyota difference online at andrewtoyota.com or stop in for a visit. We are easy to find at 1620 West Silver Spring Drive, just 3 blocks west of I-43.